How could a plant be named after a bird? That's one of the questions that always perplexed me until I was in South Africa years ago with my wife on a hunt. And I first came upon a plant called the bird of paradise. It is an impressive ornamental flowering plant that's native to southern Africa. And its distinctive flower is so-called the crane flower. And it does resemble a bird of paradise. It grows from underground stems called rhizomes and can reach a height of about 4 to 5 feet, as in this plant that I have found at the UCI campus in Irvine, California. The birds of paradise are a member of a family of plants which I am unable to pronounce. It's spelled Streltziaceae. But I can always remember the bird of paradise. And so will you if you ever happen to luck upon seeing one.